Glam party makeup is a celebration of self-expression, bold, creative, and fun. It's not about hiding, but about showing who you are or who you want to be for a night. For centuries, people have used makeup to mark special occasions, from ancient rituals to masquerade balls. Today, social media has made glam makeup accessible to everyone, inspiring a global community to experiment and share. You don't need to be a pro, just curious and willing to play. Creating a glam look is more than applying cosmetics. It's a ritual that builds anticipation and confidence for the event ahead. Glam makeup is all about drama, vibrant colors, rich textures, and a touch of sparkle. Whether it's a classic red lip or a glittery creation, it's designed to stand out and complete your party look. It's the perfect accessory, making you feel like the star of the show. In the next scenes, we'll dive into what makes this style so dazzling. Let's explore the world of glam party makeup together. See? Everyday makeup is about subtlety, fresh, polished, and practical for daily life. It whispers, blending in seamlessly. Party makeup, though, is designed to shout with joy and make a statement. In dim party lighting, subtlety disappears. So glam looks use bold colors and shimmering textures to stand out. The products change too. Think false lashes, glitter, and high-shine glosses. Foundations are fuller coverage, and contouring is more dramatic to catch the light. Party makeup is about transformation, embracing creativity, color, and celebration. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling spectacular and marking the occasion as special. Like putting on sparkling jewelry, it signals you're ready to have fun and be seen. Everyday makeup is functional. Party makeup is an invitation to be bold. It's your chance to play, express, and celebrate in style. That's what sets party makeup apart. The heart of glam party makeup is fearless color. Think jewel tones, sapphire, emerald, amethyst, ruby, intense and captivating. Add shimmer, glitter, and metallics for a dazzling effect that catches every light. Eyeshadow palettes mix mattes and shimmers for depth and drama, while bold lipsticks, classic reds, berries, even blues, make a statement. False lashes and radiant setting sprays complete the transformation, ensuring you shine from every angle. Every product is chosen to create a look that's bold, beautiful, and unapologetically glamorous. This is your moment to sparkle. Bold makeup marks a celebration as special, helping us shift from routine to party mode. It's a ritual that builds excitement and confidence, empowering us to step into the spotlight. Dramatic looks signal confidence and invite connection. People are drawn to creative expressions. Makeup becomes a conversation starter, breaking the ice before you say a word. For many, it's pure play, a chance to experiment and embrace extravagance. Bold makeup can even act as a suit of armor, giving shy partygoers a boost of confidence. It lets you project the energy you want to feel, transforming your mood from the outside in. Ultimately, it's about joy, self-expression, and celebrating life's big moments. That's why we go bold. The secret to long-lasting party makeup starts with skin prep. Cleanse, moisturize, and prime. Layer products thinly for coverage that lasts without looking heavy. Eyeshadow primer is a must for vibrant, crease-free color. Choose long-wearing, waterproof products, especially for eyes and lips. Line lips before lipstick for extra staying power. Set everything with a generous mist of setting spray to lock in your look. For extra hold, press setting spray in with a sponge. These steps ensure your glam stays flawless through hours of dancing and celebration. With the right prep and products, your masterpiece will last all night. Now you're ready to party without worry. The Siren Eye is trending, a sultry, elongated liner that creates feline allure. Graphic elements and bold color are in floating liner. Geometric shapes and neon shades turn eyes into art. Dewy glass skin is now glam, pairing radiant, luminous bases with bold lips or shimmery eyes. The contrast of fresh skin and dramatic features is modern and photogenic. Classic Hollywood glamour remains timeless, flawless foundation, sharp winged liner, and bold red lips. Perfectly defined brows and soft contour complete the look. These styles prove glam makeup is about creativity, confidence, and making a statement. Whether you go avant-garde or classic, there's a trend for every personality. Try one or mix them to find your signature party look. Glam is all about having fun with your style. Let's create a bold glam look in simple steps. Start with clean, moisturized skin and primer. Apply medium to full coverage foundation, then conceal as needed. Contour cheekbones, jawline, and nose for dimension. Blend well. Prime eyelids, then use a matte shade in the crease and a deep shimmer on the lid. Add depth with a dark shadow at the outer corner and blend for a smooth gradient. Draw a sharp winged liner and line the waterline for drama. Apply mascara and false lashes for instant impact. Fill in brows to frame the face. Choose lips, nude for balance or bold for maximum effect. Line first for precision. Highlight cheekbones, brow bone, and Cupid's bow for glow. Finish with setting spray to lock in your masterpiece. You're ready to shine at any party.